But do you know? Landforms that rise prominently above their surroundings, generally exhibiting steep slopes, are known as mountains. And what are mountain ranges? A mountain range or a hill range is a series of mountain or hill ranged in a line and connected by high ground. A mountain system or mountain belt is a group of mountain ranges with similarity in form, structure, and alignment. Do you know, Bache? Individual mountains are connected by ridges and separated by valleys. Good morning, students. I welcome you to today's GK virtual class. Today, we are going to talk about mountains. It is page number 60 and 61 of your book. It comes under the topic of world around. Let's see. Before starting the topic, let's see the learning outcomes. After the completion of this topic, students, you will be able to identify the name of the mountain based on the description given. You will be able to enlist the features of various mountains. Then you can unscramble the jumbled words and write the correct names of the mountain. Sierra Nevada is a mountain range in the western United States between the Central Valley of California and Great Basin. The vast majority of the range lies in the state of California. Its elevation is 4,421 meter. Its highest point is Mount Whitney. Parnassus is a mountain of limestone in the central Greece that towers above Delphi, north of the Gulf of Corinth, and offers scenic view of the surrounding olive groves and countryside. Its elevation is 2,457 meter. The Aconcagua is a mountain in the principal cordillera of the Andes mountain range. It is the highest mountain in Americas, the highest outside Asia, and the highest in both southern and the western hemisphere. It has an elevation of 6,962 meter. The Ural Mountains, or simply Urals, are a mountain range that runs approximately from north to south through western Russia from the coast of the Arctic Ocean to the river Urals and northwest Kazakhstan. The mountain range forms a part of convectional boundary between the continents of Europe and Asia. In other words, the mountain range that marks the physiographic boundary between Europe and Asia is Ural. The Harz is a highland area in northern Germany. It has the highest elevation of that region. Its elevation is 1141 meter. In other words, the mountain range that forms a part of the border between East and West Germany, it's Harz. Sixth one is the Andes. The Andes, running along South America's western side, is among the world's largest mountain range. Its varied terrain encompasses glaciers, volcanoes, grasslands, deserts, lakes, and forests. Its elevation is 6,961 meter. Aleutian, the mountain range, is the major mountain range located in southwest Alaska. Its elevation is 10,197 feet, or you can say 3,108 meters. This mountain range contains the greatest number of active volcanoes. Ben Nevis is the highest mountain of Great Britain. Ben Nevis elevation is 1345 meter above the sea level. Ben Nevis stands at the western end of the Grampian Mountains in the area of the Scottish Highlands, close to the town of Fort William. The mountain, which is identified by the Tibetan Buddhist as the cosmic center of universe, it is Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash is 6,638-meter high peak in Kailash range. The mountain is located near Lake Mansarovar and close to the source of some of the longest Asian rivers, the Indus, the Satluj, Brahmaputra, and Karnali. Mount Kailash is considered to be sacred in four religions: Hinduism, Bon, Buddhism, and Jainism. Anaimudi is a mountain located in Indian state of Kerala. It is the highest peak in the Western Ghats and South India at an elevation of 2695 meter. It is the highest point in India south of Himalayas. Thus it is also known as Everest of South India. Told you kids, by the end of this video you will be able to know many fascinating facts about the mountains. Now I have one task for you to do. You have to find out the tallest mountain of each and every continent.